I bet on my yeah.
We are just out the front of one of the properties that I've recently purchased that we are settling on today. And this property was purchased prior to auction for $561,500. And this property is purely a granny flat play for cash flow. So let's go and check it out.
Yeah, I bet on myself. Can't dream so big that they think I'm crazy.
This property is on a 1,200 metre squared block, and with the new planning scheme, it actually means we can build a 120 metre squared granny flat, which is a 3-bed, 2-bath granny flat. And that's going to inject a really strong yield on this property, which will generate roughly a 10% gross yield on that granny
When they
flat.
really couldn't get a handle on, then when they see they missed the boy, they get a tantrum on. And I know they never thought we would make it.
With the granny flat is going to be positioned down towards the back of the property, and there will be a fence line that does dictate separating the two, and it will come down the side of the property. And the established property here at the back is still going to have a nice large piece of land as well. So this property, as you can tell, is a little bit of an ugly duckling, and some people will get turned off by this, but this is just a massive opportunity to look at this property and add some value, and is a great cash flow play with a massive piece of land.